Hey guys, it's another very chilly winter day today. It's like 25 degrees out, so I'm gonna make this kind of quick. But right now I'm in Albrightsville, Pennsylvania. It's about 2 hours outside of New York City. I have another A-frame cabin for you all, but it's kind of different. It has this really cool, bright and unique exterior. You can see right here. Almost all the other A-frames or cabins in general I see these days always typically brown or black or kind of have the same wood finishing. So this one definitely stands out from the pack. If you want to check out this place though on Airbnb, I'm gonna link out to its listing on Airbnb so you can book it or just learn more about it down in the video description. And also if you haven't seen it yet, I do have my new A-frame cabin playlist that's also going to be linked out down below and up top here. But really can't wait to show you more of the exterior. Also the interior is really cozy, just what you need for these cold winter months. So let's go hop into the tour now out here in Albrightsville, Pennsylvania. Welcome to your bright blue A-frame cabin located out here in the Poconos. To get this tour rolling, we're actually going to head into the backyard first. So to get there, we're going to go along the deck on the side. There's some nice string lights and tables and a grill. Obviously really cold out though, so it didn't spend any time out here. But if you zip now further towards the backyard, you're going to come to the fire pit. The entire backyard was way larger than I expected, and the actual name of this Airbnb is Tall Trees Poconos, and it definitely lived up to its name. There were trees all over the place for me to fly my drone around, but definitely a really nice backyard setup. That building right there on the right is the garage, but now we're gonna head back towards the front to check out the front exterior of this A-frame. Welcome to the bright blue exterior of the cabin. It definitely can't be missed when you're driving down the road and trying to find the cabin for the first time. There's also a garage back here. It's not open to Airbnb guests, but I just want to point it out because it's also very similar to the cabin and A-frame themed. It also looks really beautiful at night, this cabin all lit up like this, but really love the exterior. Let's now head on inside. Welcome to the interior of your Airbnb cabin. This is the main room as soon as you walk through the front door. You got your whole fireplace area, then the kitchen is on the other end, but kind of panning from left to right, again, you have the fireplace. Straight ahead is some more doors to some additional rooms, and the kitchen on the right. To begin to break down this main room, we'll head over here to this corner to the fireplace area. And so you have a nice little chair, a smart TV is straight ahead with all of your Netflix and Amazon Prime, all that normal stuff. I really love these stone fireplace as well. Really beautiful, perfect for those warm and cozy winter nights. You have a couch as well, so enough seating here for, a family or a small group. This is also a gas-powered fireplace. If you watch the channel, you know I really suck at starting fires, so this definitely made my life a lot easier while keeping the entire room very warm. To the right of the fireplace is a record player, definitely a more popular amenity I'm seeing springing up in Airbnbs these days. They're a lot of fun. Up top then, this is the loft. I'm gonna save the best for last though. It's my favorite space because I want to finish up on the first floor, so we go to the opposite end to the kitchen. Probably the main feature of the kitchen that stuck out to me is that really gigantic island countertop in the center. It has two stools underneath it for some additional seating and plenty of space to either cook up a full meal, to cook up a storm while you're staying there, or to heat up some takeout or any meals you might, get from the local restaurants. You have a stainless steel refrigerator though, you have your stovetop, you have your microwave, and just tons of countertop space. So this is definitely a full-fledged kitchen in my mind when I first saw it. The last space to cover in this main room is just the dining room table, which is right next to the kitchen. So pretty simple. You have 4 chairs around it, plenty of space to have your meals. But now let's go and finish off on the first floor. If you go down this hallway past the kitchen, you're gonna see 3 doors. There are 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So let's go and check them out. So we'll head through the door on the left-hand side first. This is the first bedroom that we'll check out. Definitely all the bedding and the interior design match the rest of the aesthetic of the cabin. Then right in front of the bed, you have a full-length mirror, which also doubles as plenty of closet space for all of your luggage. And kind of over there in that opposite corner, you have some decorations like some plants and some cacti. You'll see more of this stuff throughout the home as you go to the other bedrooms. You have your desk as well with some towels waiting for you. I also especially loved some of the kind of old school posters and photos, like the DeLorean vehicle, DeLorean car from Back to the Future. Love those movies, and this Ultrafest poster. We'll now head through that center door to the bunk beds room. This is a cabin I think definitely meant for a family. You have the bedroom we were just in, this bunk beds room, and then the loft bedroom for the parents, which is definitely my favorite space, which we'll be getting to very shortly. But you have some more plants and decorations on top of this dresser, and then basically just like the other bedroom, you have that same full-length mirror and closet setup. We'll now pop back out to the hallway to head into the door on the right-hand side, and that is your bathroom. There's one bathroom inside of the cabin. I won't spend a ton of time here, but it was simple and clean. Obviously, you have your shower and your toilet, your countertop, and some extra toiletries up there in that cabinet. We'll now head back into the main room so that we can now go upstairs to the loft. We'll walk past the record player and head up these stairs to get to the loft, and welcome to the master bedroom up here. I especially love those curved A-frame ceilings. Love how every loft and all the A-frame cabins I tour is so different from each other. I really love this one. I especially loved all the bedding, how everything was matched with everything from the ceilings to the curtains to the dressers, just all the color schemes up here, really bright and popping. Definitely caught my eye. You have a little bookshelf over here with some extra books to keep you entertained. You have some plants in this one corner and some hangers so you can put up some of your coats and hang up some of your clothes there. And there is no closet up here, so you have a dresser for some storage. To finish off the loft tour, we'll get closer to the bed to check out this side of the room. I especially love those spheres on top of the tables or your nightstands. Those spheres are actually your lamps. I thought that was a super cool design. If you actually come down here on the left-hand side, hanging from here is a Poconos Mountains, Pennsylvania poster. You also have some plants as well in this corner. So tons of decorations. And of course, it wouldn't be an A-frame cabin without those beautiful ceilings. I love all those angles. As always, if you kind of come here now, looking down from the loft, you get a bird's eye view of that main room. And going through kitchen over there on the left-hand side, and now going over to the right towards the fireplace. Thanks so much for checking out my A-frame cabin tour. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and also tossing this video a like. And don't forget to check out all the links down in the video description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.